Hi, in this video we're going to convert a CSV file to a KML file using the ogr2ogr command line tool. So what I'm going to do is first of all switch across to the desktop, and what I have here is two files, and I'm going to rename this new file.csv into input.csv so it matches the command I'm going to show you. So rename that to input.csv. And if I have a look at that file, you can see here we've got the name, description, address, latitude and longitude. All I'm going to do is come across here and run this command. So we're running ogr2ogr with the -f option to specify the output format, which is going to be libkml. The output file is going to be output.kml. And the input file is input.csv. And what we need to do here is specify the columns that are the latitude and longitude columns. So the file has got two columns called longitude and latitude, and we're specifying those with these options here. And this final option, keep geometry columns equals no, what that does is rather than writing the GPS data into the, it will prevent the GPS data being written into the description of the pop-up. So when you have the pop-up in a mapping application like My Maps and you click the marker, it's not going to display the GPS information in the pop-up as well. So basically all I need to do is select this command here and come across to the terminal, paste it in, and as you can see here, what we now have is a output.kml file. And what I can do is come across here, and you'll see that what we have is the place mark for each location. So we have the name, the description, the address, and the coordinates. So what it's done is it's taken all the information in the CSV file and created a KML file from it, which we can then import into a mapping application like My Maps. So what I'll do is come across and open My Maps. I'll create a new map, and what we'll do is we'll just import that and make sure it worked. The output. And as you can see, this has all been perfectly mapped. So here we've got the three corners, the description, and the address. And as I said, we don't have a column here saying latitude and longitude. That's been suppressed using the command, because we also have this here. So what I'm going to do is come across into Map Hub and do the same thing. New map. Select import, and you'll see that we have exactly the same results. We have the title, the description, and the address. And that's basically how we can convert a CSV file into a KML file. But the essential thing is you actually have to have the longitude and latitude columns in the CSV file to be able to do this, because otherwise it's not going to work. And geocoding the addresses is something I covered in a previous video using Google Earth. So let me just switch back to the text editor and show you the command we ran again, and we'll provide links to how you install the ogr2ogr application on Linux, Mac, and Windows as well. So basically what we did was run ogr2ogr -f libkml. We specified the output file, output.kml. The input file was input.csv. And we specified the longitude and latitude columns with -00 x possible names equals longitude, -00 y possible names equals latitude, and the final bit of code at the end, keep geom columns equals no, suppresses the GPS data from being added to the maps pop-up description. So that's how we can convert CSV to KML, providing that it has longitude and latitude columns in it.